Hey guys, welcome back to another film. You have Cash the dog right here, and we're gonna do a video when I was really young, like 14 weeks or 13 weeks old. So let's go check it out. Hello. How? Hello. Ah. Wow. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Whoa. What's up? No. What's up? What's that? Tree. Oh, tree. Trees. Is that trees? Yeah. Eat. What's that? This is really good. It's really good. Do you know who I am? I am Cash, the adorable dog. Yeah, I am. I'm the adorable dog. Am I adorable? Yeah, I'm adorable. 100% I'm adorable. Yeah, I'm adorable. What are you doing? Hello. Hello, world. Hello. Yeah, that was when I couldn't really talk very well, if you noticed. I wasn't very good at talking, but I was like 14 weeks old, so I wasn't the smartest, sadly. But now I'm smart. I'm way smarter now than I was. I actually know what 2 plus 2 is. It is 4. So I'm really smart now. I can do math, but before I couldn't even say what or eat. So, yeah. Hey, human, what are you doing? Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like and turn on the notification bell. So when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the bell, so then it'll ring when you see another video of mine. You want to see them because they're adorable. Enjoyed.